Hi everyone, it's Denise Reed and welcome back to my channel Bramble Reed. Now this week guys, I'm going to show you how to make a paper mache container by transforming some household products. To make this tutorial you can use a paper mache clay or paper mache newspaper or even use the paper mache toilet paper. For myself, I wanted to try and make a paper mache container so that I'm able to do a laundry room makeover. I will also try and attempt to make a paper mache lid, which, spoiler alert, it didn't work. And so I will try and show you guys different ways on covering your containers. Now this project is really good also for the bottle art or bottle art decoration ideas. You can use bottles to create any kind of container. For the best creative DIY and fashion content, subscribe to my channel. Be sure to hit that bell to be notified when I post a video every Tuesday. I have a Facebook page that is dedicated to DIY crafts and fashion that you're able to join. Now it's your turn. So this week I wanted to do a bottle paper mache, but my intention was to do the bottle, cut off the top, and then make it into top and bottom so that I can put my fabric balls in for the laundry room. I'm going to use this pineapple tin that we have. Is the size that I want. Like I want it big so I can put all the balls in and then put a lid. So what we're going to do is you're going to find your desired size and then you're going to put your saran wrap on it using the exact same clay. This one I added black acrylic paint from the dollar store. This one, you see the purple? That's Mache powder. I used these two colors. I just wanted to see what it was going to look like. So one of the things I wanted to show you guys was that instead of pasting everything on the top, I did do the rollout and I have this in here so that I can do that. So I'm going to just take off the plastic and I'm going to plop it over. I don't know how this is gonna go, but there we go. Okay. Comment down below if you would be interested in seeing a paper mache decor makeover. Now that this is dry, I noticed that the circumference is a little wobbly, but I want to make a lid for this. Remember, this is going to hold my dryer balls. And what I want to do is I want to create a lid for it. So once you remove it from, if it's the pop bottle that you're going to be doing, it's going to shrink. So you see that won't fit over there again. So you have to keep that in mind. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put a flat piece of clay here. I'm going to let it dry. Once it's dry, I'm going to come back and put it on my top. If it doesn't fit, I'm going to just keep building it. So I'll transfer it from here and put it on something that's flat, and I'll show you kind of what I'm going to do as it progresses. Now with this specific piece, when I made my paper paste, I didn't make it so that it was transparent. I made it so it was really thick, and so it gave me these foggy, that's why the color is so muted. So you have to be mindful with that when you're doing yours. So my lid did not work. But what I plan on doing is looking for whether it be a wooden or a glass lid. And once I do my laundry room makeover, I will show you guys what it looks like. Now that you know how to make the paper mache container, transforming household products, I have written a guide on different designing platforms that will help you take those creative juices out of your head and put on a digital platform. I have included a list of tutorials that will help you understand these platforms better. You can download the guide at the link in the description box. Also, I do have that Facebook page where you're able to upload different DIY, fashion, and craft contents. You can check out the link in the description box. Check out these videos next on Paper Mache Pumpkin DIY, which is a great fall goodie, and my Paper Mache Piggy Bank to help you save money. Also, check out my upcoming video, which will be on the Paper Mache Cup Succulents Holder. Guys, if you like these videos, hit that like button, be sure to subscribe, and share the video with your family and friends.